How to unblock yourself on Instagram if someone has blocked you. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you a simple and effective way to contact someone who has blocked you on Instagram. The method is quick but make sure to watch until the end to understand the full process. Without further ado, let's get started. First, open Instagram app on your device. Make sure you sign into your account. Tap search icon at bottom left corner of your screen and search for the account that you own. Navigate to its profile and select three dots at top right, and then you need to tap on block and then confirm the block. After that, you simply need to switch to the second account, the one that got blocked. Now you need to try searching for your first profile. You will see that you are blocked and can view posts or followers. Now you need a friend's Instagram account or a third Instagram account of your own. So you can easily switch to the third account. So proceed by tapping on the profile icon at bottom right and select the arrow at top left and then switch to another account. Now you need to proceed by tapping on the messenger icon to access your DM section. And then you need to tap on the new message icon at top right corner of your screen and create group chat. Now you can group name as well, which is optional. So make sure that you add both of your main account, the blocker and the blocked account to the group chat. And then you can easily send a simple method by creating group chat. After that, you will be required to switch back to your blocked account and then open the DM. Now here you can easily see that you can now send messages to the person who blocked you. So this method doesn't fully unblock you, but you still won't see posts or followers. However, it allows you to send messages to the person who blocked you. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you, leave a comment below, like the video and subscribe for more useful Instagram tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.